Is it normal ba to have less sex as the relationship progresses? It's normal. Akala ko nga before pagkasal and same household na kami ni husband araw-araw ang keme. Now need pang my schedule kahit both work from home kami and no kids. Totally normal. 6 years in relationship na kami. Every 6 months na lang yata kami nagsisigs. Ha ha ha. Pero we don't mind kasi busy din naman. Yes, kaya siguro nakaka-discover ang couples ng kinks nila to explore. 4 years na kami ni partner. Okay naman sexy time namin and we recently engaged in threesome. Running to 6 years with my SO, still active like minimum 1 a day. Masyado lang siguro kami compatible. Siguro, as year go by, mas on fire cause we explore and keep on flirting siguro. Kami ni Mrs. magsi 7 years na, may 2 na kaming kids pero mas masarap at mas ganado kami ngayon. We're in on our 30s na. Seems like and feels like we're on our prime. Minsan twice or thrice a day, 4 to 5 na putok pa yan, disappointed